Welcome to the Ash Concept 2021 Youth Empowerment Program, Graphic Design Training. Welcome to our masterclass. So, in this video, I will be showing you the interface of this app called Pixellab. Pixellab is an app with great tools, great features. You can use this app to design your graphics from start to finish. From scratch. As you can see, this is the home page. This is the interface of the app. So I'll be showing you everything, all the functions of this thing. Though I won't be able to show you all the functions now, but as long as we work on it, as long as we play around with the app, you know the functions of everything in the app. So when you first of all open the app, this is what you see. This is how the background is. So the first thing you do, if you want to start your design, this is for text. If you want to write text, you can click on this button here. Anywhere you see the blue tick, that's where I click. So you can click on the button there. See this one, see, you can see it's going. So to change text or to just manage your text, you can click on this A. This A stands for text, and click on it. Then you click on edit. Let me clean this one and write Ash Concept. Okay. As you can see, Ash Concept is here. So if you click on this delete, it will delete the font, the text. If you click on copy, it will copy the text. If you click on front, this one is when you have two different texts and you want to bring one forward. If you click on front, it will bring one to the front. Click on back, it will take it back. So if you click on this position here, will remove the text. As you can see, to move the text, click on the position. Though you can still use your hand to just drag the text, but there are sometimes to get to a stage where you won't need to use your hand, but use this function to move your text. So let me just move it on. Press plus anything once you are done with your features, with the function, make sure you press all your settings. Make sure you press this mark button to get it done. So this one, if you want to move the text, as you can see, anyhow you want it, you just take it anywhere you want. So click on done. This one is for size, to increase the size of the text. So you can increase it, you can reduce it to anyhow you want. Then you click on done. This one is for padding. You see the function. As you can see, if you want to the right padding, you are seeing it. So click on done. This one is for color. You can change the color to anyhow you want, any color you want. You can change it. This gradient means combination of different colors. That means not only one color, but it is attached with like 3 colors, 2 colors, like that. So as you can see, this is not just a color. So let me proceed. This texture is changing the background of the text. So this text is black on, we say gray, but if you add texture to it, if you change the background automatically, we'll get there, don't worry. Touch that part. So let's move to the other side. Opacity. This opacity is just like the brightness of the video, of the text. As you can see, if you reduce it, still going, so that's opacity for you. This one is to rotate the text. If you want to rotate it anywhere you want it to be, you rotate it and leave it like that. Just leave it this way. This one is for marks to give you a different thing, but this one is not that necessary. Just consider it. This one is the font, so you can select any font you want from this place. That you choose this, click on OK. As you can see, it's a new font. This B style is for the fonts to maybe be bold or italic, underlined, and so on. Let me leave it underlined. So you click on OK. This one is to curve the right up, the text, as you can see. So curve it. Don't worry, you gain more from this class. I have many offers for you guys. Okay, so you just leave it like this. This one is the background. As you can see, the background. So I hope you understand what texture means now. Texture is not the background of the image, but the not the image, not the background of the text, but the background of the, how will I put this in? But we'll get there, don't worry, we'll get there. I'll show you. I like practicals too. I'll just, instead of prolonging everything, I'm just going to practical to show you. So let's leave this one. You can change the background to any color. So hold it. You can change it. Let me leave it to this one. The alignment. If you want it to be in the middle, just leave this one like this. This one is malfunctioning. Supposed to move, but leave it like that. The line spacing. And this one's, as you can see, that's the spacing. So stroke. This stroke is to make the text be pronounced. See, as you can see, you can increase it or reduce it. You can change the color of the stroke to any color you want. Change it. So let me leave it this way. Press OK. Make sure you click on OK after doing any design, any changes, because if you didn't click on that arrow button, everything will cancel. You have to start afresh again. You have to go back and follow the same process again. So after, where are we? Stroke. Okay, so this one is for shadow. As you can see, there's shadow there. If you want to increase it, if you want to reduce it, everything is there. Leave it this way. To emboss the inner shadow. So inner shadow, as you can see, hope you are seeing the function. Hope you are seeing it. Hope you are seeing it. Okay, good. Embossing. I love using this embossing. Most especially when you want to do 3D logo, you need to emboss. You need this embossing to make it more sharp. So as you can see, hope you are seeing the difference. So you can increase anyhow you want it. Once it's up to your taste, then leave it like that. So 3D rotates. All those 3D logos you see, that the write-up will be somehow not, the write-up won't be straight and all this kind of stuff like that. This is the function they normally use. So if you see, you can turn it this way, anyhow you want. You can turn it this way, you can turn it this way, anyhow you want it to go. So you click on arrow button, 3D text. Once you click on it, that's another function, as you can see. And there's something I want to show you guys. So you see this 3D text now. Let me show you something. After clicking on this thing, you can just click on OK, go back to this 3D rotate. Hope you are seeing it. Hope you are seeing it. Hope you are seeing it. So you can use it for anything like that. 3D shadow. If you are seeing the changes, you are seeing the difference. So you save reflection. If you want it to reflect, just click on this. If you are seeing the reflection below. If you want it to be well pronounced, if you want it to be pronounced very well, so remove and just shift it. So for this plus icon here at the top, if you want to add either image, text, shapes and all that, just click on it. You see, if you want to draw, you can still draw. See, you can still draw anything you want. You click on OK. You click on G plus. If you want to add picture from gallery, click on here, select the pictures. And most of the time, if you want to add pictures in some of your designs, it's better you remove the background of the picture you are adding to your design to make it better, to make your design look mature or more professional. So I'll teach you guys how to remove background from any image. So don't mind my voice, I just woke up this morning. So if you want to add shape, you can add shape. I'll teach you guys how to use a shape. You can add shape. Once you add, click on the shape, click on this box here, this shape box here, to select any kind of shape you want. Hit circle, as you can see. Hit star, as you can see, size here. This is triangle. That's it. So and so on and so forth. And so on. So let's leave. Sometimes I just make mistakes. Just forget all this one. Focus on what you are learning. Don't mind me, Jerry. So if you want to select sticker, you can just use any sticker you want. Do you know, with this sticker you can create something good, but don't worry, we have a lot to do. So you click on this plus here, click on the plus. This current date, I've not used it before, but just talking about your date. You don't need the date for your design, so this one is out of it. So this one, as you can see, use image from gallery, full screen, export image. This one is for the background. You can use it for your background. I've not used this function. I know it's not functioning. So this one, if you want to share your file, the design you've just created, this button here. If you want to save, and let me tell you something about this project stuff. Once you are done with any design, or maybe you are designing for a client and you know the client might want you to reverse something, just save it as a project, so you can come back anytime you want to edit it. You can just edit instead of starting afresh again. So once you save it as a project, let's click on save as a project. You can also write the project name. Let me say sample. You click on OK. It has been saved. This advert, let's say as an Noel. So you can see it with this X button there. So we have saved this design as a project. For us to get the project, come to this boxes here. Don't forget this blue sign. That's where I am. Come to there. click on my project. As you can see, this is the sample here. If you click on it, to take you back to the place. Oh, you can have many adverts for just one this thing. Please just wait for it to load. No, we are not paying for the app, so this is how they earn their own money. If you guys want to, I still teach you how to do something like this. This app too, these people are earning money this way with this advert you are seeing. So you can see it. Where are we? So this one is to to check the accuracy, the position of whatever you are doing. But I don't really use this. Remove it. This one is to merge objects together, or if you want to merge the objects, if you want to lock it, there are different options. Let me just show you one. So anything you want to do in this place, you click on this button here to merge the objects together. Let's say I want to merge this and this together. You click on this two box here, this middle button here, to show you something like, are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? And then click on OK. So let's go to that place. You click on this box back. So as you can see, it has been merged. So if you want to remove it, you can still go back to this place. You can still remove it. Just look for it, select, then remove. And if you want to delete, you can mark and delete, just like that. So mark and delete. If you want it to be off, if you want to remove it from the design, as you can see, just off, remove, the date will be gone. So it's back. Hope you are seeing it. So that's it. So let's go to the background and all that. This one is for text and quotes. You can add the text from this plus button at the top. You can still use this option. So I've touched out this area. So this box is here for the background. So if you want to change the background, if you want the background to be transparent, you can just click on this transparent. As you can see, there's no background anymore. If you want to change the color, you can click on color. Then hope you are seeing it. Background will change. So you click on OK. If you want to change the size, you can change it to any size you want. If you know if your client gave you a special, maybe one particular size to work on, you can just click on this custom, then add the size here, add it here, then you save. So this place, you can just choose any image from this option. You are seeing it. Hope you guys are enjoying the class. That's all. Even if you're not enjoying it, when we start the 3D design and other designs, you enjoy it. So click on OK. So if you want to select any image or background from the background, you can just, from your gallery, just click on from gallery. Then it's take it to the gallery. I don't need it now. If you want to select it from your camera, click on camera. Then you select. So once you are done with the design, you come to this option, this box, this shape here that looks like memory card. You click on it. You save as image. Then you save to gallery. Boom, the image has been saved. Don't mind him, the stupid advert is over. So that's all. So now you move to your gallery. Let's go to our gallery. As you can see, this is the design. So that's all for now, and thanks for joining us. I bet you enjoy this class. Even if you don't enjoy it, you enjoy it by force. This one by force. So see you in the next video.